Welcome to 0 to N. In this video I will show the steps to install Python in Ubuntu. Open the terminal and run these commands to install prerequisites before installing Python. Open browser and search Download Python for Ubuntu. Click on this. Look for the version you want to install. I am installing 3.8 version for now. Right-click and copy the download link. Now open the terminal and type wg and paste the link and press enter. Now type this tar command to extract in current working directory. Now cd into extracted Python folder and type these commands. Check if we have installed correct version by running. Thanks for watching. If it was useful then please hit the like button and subscribe for upcoming videos about software and tech.